Oh, cool. Look at that. Hey, Chris, go long. Ah! Oh, touchdown!
Dear Lord, please give me the cheat codes for Mike Tyson's Punch-Out. I have been stuck on Bald Bull for 4 years. I tried left, up, B, dodge, uppercut, but he still knocks me out. And you know, they say you're supposed to go right, B, up, dodge, left, uppercut. Well, listen to me telling you how to play the game.
Ow! Ow! Everybody!
Hello? What? Who's there? What's going on? Whatever's happening here, just knock it off.
Gambling is illegal in this town.
Says who?
Says me. You got a problem with that?
I'm not really sure. Kind of waiting for you to exhale.